Welcome to this Procuman e-procurement software tutorial where we'll show you how to submit a bid in Supplier Portal. First, log in to the Procuman Supplier Portal with your supplier account. Then click on the RFX Requests menu item. Select a tender that is open for bidding. Before you start your bidding, you can ask questions about the tender in the Supplier Questions section. Link the question to a particular tender by selecting the tender in the Link to RFX lookup field. Then write your question to the title field and save the record. You will receive an email notification when your question has been answered. Go back to the open tender and scroll down to the bidding section and click the plus sign to open the bidding panel. Here you can enter the bid header information and upload your quotation documents. Quotations for the tender line items can be done after saving the bid header. Open the saved bid. Click Edit and enter your bid quantity and pricing for the line items. Also, check the requirement Q&A panel for any questions that you need to answer about your offered products. When you're ready to submit your offer, select Submit to Customer from the Submit Action pull-down and save the record. After submitting your bid, you can still add notes to the bid that are visible for your customer. Hopefully, this gives you an understanding of how to submit bids with Procuman Supplier Portal.